Do you have a problem where your TikTok direct message option is not showing? Then watch this video until the end and follow my steps in order to fix this problem. I'll show you a couple of solutions, and by the end of the video we should resolve your issue and your direct messages option will be there. The process is the same for both iOS and Android devices. Now I'm gonna open the TikTok app and go to my profile. Then tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner, after which we will open our settings and privacy. Then open the privacy settings right here. And in this menu you should see the direct messages option. But if it's not in here, then we need to exit our TikTok app and go to our device settings. If you are on your Android device, find the app settings and search for TikTok. And when you find TikTok, then clear the app data and the app cache. Maybe that's what causes the problem. But if you use an iPhone like I am, then go to the general settings, iPhone storage, and open TikTok from this list. Now click on this offload app option and this will clear the TikTok cache. Wait a couple of seconds until the app offloads, and after that click on reinstall. When you reinstall the app and open it, go to your privacy settings once again and you should see the direct message option. But if you still have the problem, then go to the TikTok settings one more time and then find the report or problem option. Now under the topics find the direct message option. Other. Under is your problem resolved, click on no and then on need more help. And now you want to type something like I am typing right here. Explain to them what your problem is and kindly ask them to activate the direct message feature for you. They are pretty good at responding and they should answer you after a day or two and enable the direct messages. So that's how you can solve the problem where the direct messages aren't showing up on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope that it helped you out.